Hi ladies! Do you realize how much of a difference your hair makes to your festive look? If you have hair that is limp and lifeless, well then watch on, because I'm going to show you how to get voluminous hair in minutes. Tip number 1 to beautiful healthy hair is using a good damage repair shampoo and conditioner. A common mistake is applying conditioner on the scalp or roots. This weighs down the hair, causing it to fall flat. Ensure that you use a conditioner only on your mid-lengths and ends and nowhere else. Tip number 2. Once you have washed your hair, softly pat dry it with a towel. Pulling and tugging will damage it further, so make sure that you're gentle. So basically, in order to achieve thick hair, we need to give a lift to the roots. Take a volumizing spray and spray it directly onto the roots. And you're good. Tip number 3. After that, follow it up with a heat protectant. This product will protect the hair from the heat, add shine and also hold the style. Hold the hairdryer at the top of your head and dry it in a downward direction. While your hair is still damp, flip it over upside down and dry again. Flip it back up and there you go. You have your perfect voluminous hair. Tip number 5. Simply tame the flyaways by smoothing them down with your hands. That's literally all you need to do to get big, dramatic hair. So go on, flaunt your tresses. That's all for today, girls. And before going, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, be beautiful.